Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Vicky. What's up? So I did a video about this blonde hair about a month ago. This video is old, it's long overdue. I lost the footage and then found it, so here we go. I'm just gonna show you guys how I put the wig on. These are my crusty braids, y'all. They're so crusty. I needed to wash my hair that day. Now this is my blonde wig unit from her hair company. It was a custom unit created for me, so it fits my head perfectly. I don't really have to adjust it a lot. All I have to do is glue it down. So I'm using the Got2B Glued Gel and the Got2B Glued spray in this video. This gel and the spray together are going to really help hold the hair. So what I do is I put the gel down first around my hairline, and then I am going to spray the spray on top and let that get tacky, and then I'm going to put my wig on top of that. Now this gel and this spray does lift with hot water, so if you wanted to remove the wig that day you could. It's not going to be like a super mega hold to where you can't take it off for a couple days, but it does last for maybe 1 or 2 days if you tie it down overnight and don't get it wet. It lasted me a couple days, so when I wear this wig, I would wear it a couple days at a time, and then once it starts lifting and moving, then I will take it off. So I'm just basically sticking this wig down, holding it down, letting the glue dry, and that way it holds the wig in place. While it's still a little bit wet, I do like to go through and kind of brush down the hair in the direction that I want it to go so that it looks kind of like it's coming out of my head. I know it's not gonna look exactly like, I'm not fooling anybody. I know that, okay? It's platinum blonde hair. I know I ain't fooling nobody. But I did want to kind of just make it appear as though it is coming out of my head and make sure I cover my hairline, because I don't want my wig to be too far down on my head. I hate that look on me. I prefer it to be on my natural hairline. So I put the wig on my hairline and I just brush the blonde hair over my dark roots so that you can't see my edges. So I'm kind of like making like a swoop swivel kind of situation to cover my edges. If you wanted to cut baby hairs and do all of that, you can. I'm lazy, so this is the easiest way I know how to do it, just brushing the hair down and swooping it back. And I'm using a toothbrush just to kind of do that and adding more spray as I go. If you need to add more product, I would say add the spray and not the gel. The gel is going to give you a more crunchy feel, but the spray kind of helps to like not be so stuck down, you know what I mean? It's not like plastered to your head. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. So I'm just brushing the hair down to kind of like cover up my hair and make it look semi-natural, but I'm going to be wearing it in the middle part anyways, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Just in case the wind blows, it kind of holds it down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, I love this hair. I haven't had any issues with it. It doesn't shed a lot. It's been a dream to work with, to be honest. It's actually one of the easier wigs that I have, so I really like it, and I'll probably be wearing it more again in the fall. I'm in braid mode right now, but I do love this wig and I'm definitely going to keep it. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. That is all for this one. If you guys have any questions or want to know more information about this wig, all that will be in the description box, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.